ain't that majestic.
Rufus, you're okay. I can't
That thing
believe
has a
it.
name?
How you doing, big guy?
What is that? That bell's a relic. Oh, there we go. Alright, so do you know where the next one is? Search the forge. I'm guessing... over there? Yeah, it's the other side of the river. Okay. Let's go check out the forge then. Forge? No. That's the forge. How do I get up there? I'm guessing going this way is a good place to start. Oh. No, none of that. None of that, sir. I don't know the language. Does that say forge? Guys? I'm gonna go with that says forge. Because it's going roughly in the right direction as well as up. What's under there? Hello? Some shinies. Alright, what's up here? Oh... bad juju is what's up here. Okay, that looks like fun. We'll have to do that on our way back. Alright, well, first things first, let's take a look around. Oh, a letter for the village. Trap chest. How many enemies do I have to defeat? Okay. Was that enough? No, apparently not. Alright, apparently I have to just jump down there and get after them. Beat them all up. Beat them up. None of them are tough. Beat them all up. Ah! I don't know how I'm supposed to defeat them all. I genuinely don't know. Alright, I'll have to look that up and come back to it. I genuinely don't know how to do that one. I need to head that way, I think. I need to be going up. Which way do I have to go up? Through here? No, that was just the house. There's no... Okay. I'm guessing this way. Alright, what's over here then? Maybe I'm missing something that I need to do that properly. Oh, that just goes back that way. Okay. Let's go this way, I think. This is looking promising. What is that? What is that? Oh, it's just a... Oh, this goes back to the village. So we don't want to go this way then. Shards? Is that what they were called? Maybe I've got to go this way instead. No. That doesn't look right either. How do I get to the forge? Because I'm on... I'm not in the right place. Whee! Alright. I want this road now. I need to go... this way. Yes? Yes. This way. Is this the forge? No, but there's a chest. Oh! We got an ox hat. Look at that, that's adorable. Okay, so... this way to the forge. Ah! Elevator? Maybe? No? The river? Do I just go in here? No? Oh! Yes, elevator. Apparently I'm incapable of pulling levers. Can someone pull this lever for me? Or is this elevator not powered? There's something preventing this elevator from functioning. Oh, well, yeah. There's all these. Okay, so that elevator does not function. Alrighty then. How do we go about doing this? How do we get to somewhere? That's been made completely inaccessible. uh, This dock over here. Let's go see what's on this dock. Bunch of things to collect. Alright. This barrel. Eat up, guys. Hurry up! There's a bunch of fruits. Yum yum. All the fruit. Oh no, we lost some of it. They're going to get it. It's just some fruit. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, that was amusing, but it's not going to help us get up to the forge. So let's see. Oh, there's some things to open up here too that I didn't see. Let's go ahead and open those up. See, there's more fruit. And munch up, then catch up. I'm gonna go up to this building over here. It's much more peaceful here now. Let's go up to this building here. There's a trap chest up here. Can I do this one? No. Shoot the arrow. Oh, there's no time limit on this one. Whoa! Hi. Nope, 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 nope. Ow. Oh, that hurt. Nope. Nope. That was never going to end well. Ow, they hit hard. Wow, I am. Now we can focus on you.
Go better.
Ow. Ow. And done. I do not like them. I really do not like them. No, I do not. But now I can open this. Oh my god, it's a cowboy hat. Alright, not what I came up here for, but I will not deny that that's awesome. And, of course, there's a hat cart. Come, my little cowboys. Oh, hello.
Ah, you made it. The path is blocked, but I'm sure Rufus can help.
Oh! Is this the way to the forge? I need your help, big guy. Can you move this rock for me? Okay, so now we've finally found the right way to go.
Are you okay, Rufus? You're not exactly a spring chicken anymore. I'll meet you at the
that was
forge,
a big
Kena,
rock you
after
just
you
broke.
clear the corruption.
Okay.